Hello children, hope you all are fine and studying properly in this off period. I am making every possible effort to make your problem easier, and in this video I will explain conversion. Conversion basically from the chapter of motion, and this is very important part. Questions, it carry a 5 marks question, sometimes 3 marks question, but very important part to solving numericals. Question may be there, convert meter per second into kilometer per hour and kilometer per hour to meter per second. Very simple part this is, but sometimes some students get confused while solving this. So see today the explanation. Question may be there, convert 20 meter per second into kilometer per hour. How will we convert? This is very important part. First you have to know 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter or 1 meter equals to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Similarly, 1 hour equals to 3600 seconds and 1 second equals to 1 by 3600 hour. First we will see the basic explanation, then we will see the shortest method. First see how shortest method is used. Then the question is 20 meter per second means 20 and 1 meter equals to 1 by 1000 kilometer, and this is division, so divide. 1 second equals to 1 by 36 hour. By solving we will get 20 into 1 by 1000 into 3600 by 1 kilometer per hour. Now this 2020 will be cancelled out. This is 18 and this is 5. So this becomes 20 multiplied by 18 over 5 kilometer per hour. What we have got? We have got that 20 is multiplying by the factor 18 over 5. Means for converting meter per second into kilometer per hour, we will multiply the given number by 18 by 5. And from where this 18 by 5 came, this is the explanation. But every time we will not do that. We will multiply the given number by 18 by 5. This is the shortest method. So 5 4s are 20 and 18 4s are 72. Means 72 kilometer per hour. Or we will write the answer 20 meter per second equals to 72 kilometer per hour. And the shortest method is what? Multiply the given number by 18 by 5. Multiply the given number by 18 by 5. This is the shortest method, and this is the explanation of that method. Means whenever we have to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, we will multiply the given number by 18 by 5, and whenever we need to explain that, we will explain by this way. But all time we will not do that. We will adopt the shortest way. We will take the shortest way. That is, for converting meter per second into kilometer per hour, we will multiply the given number by 18 by 5. Now see how to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. There is a question convert 18 kilometer per hour into meter per second. So 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter divided by 1 hour equals to 3600 second. So this is 18 by 1000, 18 multiplied by 1000 by 3600 meter per second, and by solving 2020 will be cancelled out. This is 5 to the and this is 18 to the, means 18 multiplied by 5 by 18 meter per second. What we are doing here, we are multiplying the given number by 5 by 18. Means whenever we have to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, we will multiply the given number by 5 by 18. This is the shortest way. So this becomes 18 is 1, that is 5 meter per second, or 18 kilometer per hour equals to 5 meter per second. This is the way. What we have done, or what is the shortest way? Multiply the given number by 5 by 18. So this is the way. This is the shortest way. For converting meter per second into kilometer per hour, we will multiply the given number by 18 by 5, and for conversion of kilometer per hour into meter per second, we will multiply the given number by 5 by 18. So this is the shortest way, and this is the explanation. Hope this topic is clear to you now.